There are a whole lot of these small stories about you. I want to know which of them is true and which of them is not.
सब 100% ट्रू और सब 100% फॉल्स भी है. अच्छा आप अभी मुझे
पहले
पता.
हाँ,
चलो अक्षय कुमार से
tell
शुरू
me
करते
about
हैं.
Akshay Kumar
मेरा
because
हाउसफुल का यार.
yeah, you guys seem to get along like a house on fire.
तो आपको पता है I've known him the longest I've known anyone in the film industry.
Okay.
अक्षय कुमार को मैं 1986 से जानता हूँ. जब हम मधुमती क्लास में थे, मैं पास आउट कर रहा था and he was very young. वो स्कूल से निकला था और ट्रेनिंग करने आया था उधर.
अच्छा.
तो जैसे होते हैं ना सीनियर्स जूनियर्स को सिखाते हैं, टीचर तो बाद में सिखाता है. तो उसकी जो भी हमने वहाँ करवाई डांसिंग वांसिंग वाज ऑल वी यूज्ड टू ओनली ट्रेन द स्टूडेंट्स टू ट्रेन हिम.
ओके.
तो उसने एक बार इंटरव्यू में मजाक में कहा कि यार जो भी मैंने सीखा इनिशियली चंकी पांडे के थ्रू सीखा और वो इतना गलत था कि मेरी फिल्में ही नहीं चली. और फिर मैंने डिसाइड किया मैं चेंज करूं और जो चंकी पांडे ने मुझे सिखाया मैंने उसको सब अनलर्न करके फिर से सीखा कुछ और मैं अक्षय कुमार बन गया. आई लव दैट because of course he came and his first few films but you know एक चीज बताऊं, when I saw Akshay Kumar for the first time I knew he's a star even as a kid. कभी-कभी पता चलता है.
What is it about him that you feel?
You get that vibe. I've seen that in a lot of people. I mean, I've been 99% of the times right.
Right. Okay.
But I've seen so many first timers and you kind of
What do
know.
you feel about Ahan, your nephew?
And I'll be biased. He's my nephew.
But
He's a born star.
Born star. Okay. Very good looking.
Superstar. He's got that confidence, the aura.
Yeah. And a niceness.
And a niceness. Yeah. He's a very good kid.
Yeah.
So that was the great.
So with Akshay Kumar, so that has continued. You guys have
फिर हमने काम बहुत टाइम के लिए नहीं किया and then finally we ended up doing Houseful. And what a blast we had doing it. नहीं हमने Houseful के पहले ये की थी हमने दे दनादन. अरे बाप रे जहाँ में नोनी चड्डा बना था प्रियदर्शन की फिल्म.
अच्छा.
And it was very funny film. Very funny character. परेश रावल was my daddy in the film. सिंगापुर में शूट की थी मैं, you know the whole water tank breaks in the hotel. So but we get along with a house like a house on fire. Yeah, he's too good and अब तो अनन्या भी उसके साथ फिल्म कर रही है.
अच्छा.
So I'm so excited for her that she's getting a chance to work with him and
that's right.
It's a very interesting film.
Right.
Yeah. So yeah, that was Mr. Akshay Kumar.
Yeah, Akshay and you.
But he's like, I'll tell you on the sets, it's such a pleasure to have him. Because इतना improvise करता है. And he improvises for everyone, which is good.
Okay.
It's not only for himself. So he really likes to create and make scenes, which is a lot of fun. And it's great to see an actor doing that. And you know, you feel like even giving more. So that's why if you see all these housefuls and all, why that so much tamasha, Akshay is a very big contributor to that.
Okay.
So is Ritesh, so is Sajid Khan, of course, the director. And then Sajid Nadiadwala, who's the producer, he also jumps into the fray because he's also got a wacky sense of humor. So it's all, you know, that energy
Do
comes
you
up.
also contribute?
I don't need to. I've got so much talent contributing. बोल मैं क्या बोलूँ?
Okay. Salman Khan also, you have a great equation with him, isn't it?
Yes, oh my God. I mean, he's अपना गली का बच्चा है.
Of course.
He's down the road.
Yeah.
Galaxy Apartments. I've known him since I think forever.
And then Seema was once married to Sohail, so
But that is
also,
much later. But of course, again, like Shah Rukh, I've seen this guy grow from you know. I remember he had done a film with Rekha.
Yes.
Yeah, and
yes,
then
he had done a film.
suddenly came Maine Pyar Kiya and he just became the sensation of the nation, of the world, yeah. And just grew from strength to strength. And he's had so many of these phases in his life. But I guess every actor goes through it. And so yeah, there's this story which Akshay Kumar tells everyone only, and Salman also sometimes tells everyone about the. जहाँ हम लोग साउथ अफ्रीका गए थे एक शो के लिए और मैं उसको कहीं बोला कि शॉपिंग के लिए निकलते हैं और मैं तुझे फ्री जीन्स दिला दूंगा. सो वी वेंट शॉपिंग टू अ मॉल एंड मैंने उसको फ्री जीन्स जूते निकाले दे दिए. बाद में उसे पता चला कि मैंने दुकानदार से $50,000 भी लिए थे सलमान खान को बुलाने.
To bring Salman to the show.
Of course they would. I mean, Salman is worth much more. But I mean, like, and I ate all the $50,000. So now I'll tell you that there is truth to that.
Acha.
That the shopkeeper did pay $50,000.
Okay.
But he paid $50,000 for sponsorship of the show.
Okay.
He was a sponsor, and the deal was that you have to get Salman Khan to
the
visit
store.
also.
Okay.
So yeah, that is
That was the background.
So what Salman is saying is the truth.
But
there's
not
also-
quite in the same way.
Yeah, it's also back story, of course.
And is it true that Salman was signed for Kuch Kuch Hota Hai from in your house? That Karan saw him there?
So I believe मैंने करण जौहर की इंटरव्यू में
Achha.
सुना था कि yeah, they met at my place somewhere and signed. So lot of things have happened. Lot of couples have met in my
Which are
like Seema and Sohail met at my
at your
Mangani.
place. Yeah.
Gulshan Grover met his ex-wife at my place. Bobby met Tanya here.
Oh,
So yeah, Sajid Khan signed Bobby Deol for Houseful 4, and that night they'd come for my birthday or something, and they spoke about it.
Oh.
So they have been like, my house has been a
yeah, meeting place.
meeting
and
place for a lot of people and a lot of things that have happened.
Interesting.
Yeah.
And your first co-star Neelam, is it true that she fell off the bike and when you were shooting your first film with her?
So मेरी पहली फिल्म के लिए I had to tell a couple of lies because पहलाज नीलानी ने मुझे पूछा घोड़ा चलाने आता है? I said सर मैं तो पिछले साल का डार्बी जीत चुका हूँ. मैंने घोड़ा देखा नहीं था उसके पहले. तो बाइक चलाने आता है? अरे सर मैं इविल कनेविल हूँ, मैं बाइक उड़ाता हूँ. और वही हुआ. फिर जब शूटिंग हुई, I couldn't ride the bike well, so I took a full speed, tried to do a wheelie and
it
fell, and she got hurt because frock में थी.
Oh.
I got saved because jeans पहने हुए थे and the silencer burnt her leg.
Oh.
So yeah, it was quite
Okay. So it was a fiery experience.
fiery. Aagi aag.
And Aagi Aag, I believe Pehlaj Nilani saw you in a washroom and that's how you became an actor.
Holiday Inn के bathroom में मैंने चूड़ीदार कुर्ता पहना था. I wanted to be like Amitabh Bachchan. You know, those days Amit जी वो politics join किए थे, उन्होंने चूड़ीदार कुर्ता पहनते थे. और मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये मैं नाड़ा बांध सकता हूँ, खोल नहीं सकता हूँ. बहुत जोर से नंबर 1 आया था और मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ बाथरूम में, कोई मेरा नाड़ा खोलो, कोई हेल्प ही नहीं करने के लिए तैयार है. सडनली पहला जी, अरे बाबा मैं हेल्प करता है.
He didn't know who you were. He didn't know
No,
you
he
were.
had no idea. I didn't know who he was.
Okay.
तब सोशल मीडिया नहीं था ना. And he's a producer. प्रोड्यूसरों की फोटो कहाँ छपते थे? तो then I asked him, I said, बहुत पीली भी थी. मैंने कुछ बियर्स ज़्यादा पीली थी. He had also had a few. So I said, सर आप करते क्या? He said, मैंने अभी पिक्चर बनाई गोविंदा के साथ. सब बाप रे. तू क्या करता है? ऐसे मैं मॉडल हूँ, मेरे को एक्टर बनना है. एक काम कर, तू कल सुबह मेरे ऑफिस आ जा.
Really?
That's how it happened.
That's how?
और उसके पहले मैं 3 साल के लिए स्ट्रगल कर रहा था, मुझे कोई फिल्म नहीं मिली. इनफैक्ट मैं शॉर्टलिस्ट हुआ था हाइबा फिल्म्स में, नारी हीरा के जो आदित्य पंचोली को रोल गया.
Right.
फिर मैं मुझे अभिमन्यु के रोल के लिए शॉर्टलिस्ट हुआ था मैं. और फिर
महाभारत?
हाँ, महाभारत में इन बी आर चोपड़ा ऑफिस, रवि चोपड़ा के साथ. इनफैक्ट फिर वो नहीं कर पाया. देन आई फाइनली डिड एन एड फिल्म विद हिम. तो देयर वर लॉट ऑफ, आई वाज ट्राइंग फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम.
Okay.
देन आई वाज स्क्रीन टेस्ट तो बहुत दिए मैंने. बी सुभाष के लिए स्क्रीन टेस्ट दिया, राजश्री ऑफिस में बहुत. तो आफ्टर 3 years आई गॉट माय फिल्म यार.
Right.
फ्रॉम द टाइम आई
And that also by fluke.
ऐसे बाथरूम में.
Thanks to your nada.
थैंक्स टू माय नाडा. जब नहीं जाता बाथरूम तो शायद आज आप किसी और का इंटरव्यू ले रहे. No, but it's all that's the beauty of the film industry and what happens.
Yes.
We are here just to tell beautiful stories, and
But that's
how
the
it
beauty
should.
of life.
Yes.
Actually. Yeah.
That's how we became from animals to humans, because we could tell stories. No other animal can tell a story. So yeah.